On today's episode, the world's first all-female large automotive production facility, and Boeing builds robots that may mean the end of the naval aviator. Today's episode is brought to you by Engineering.com, a globally trusted source for engineering content. Check out this and many other exclusive videos for the engineering professional found only on Engineering.com TV today. Electric mobility, it's a hot topic these days, with industry pioneer Tesla now facing competition from multiple new and traditional makers of cars and light trucks. But for much of the world, mobility means two wheels, often scooters. Scooters are affordable, they have low operating costs, and they're very practical in crowded cities all over the world. And despite minimal fuel consumption, they're going electric too. Now, India is a major market for scooters, and a new company, Ola Electric Mobility, has announced a massive factory which will produce 10 million units annually, representing 15% of all e-scooters on Earth by 2022. Called the Futurefactory, the 43-acre plant will be located in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The operation will be carbon neutral and will be heavily automated, including 3,000 robots and autonomously guided vehicles. Ola has developed a proprietary AI system to manage the Industry 4.0 operation, and it's expected to employ 10,000. The cost of the project is estimated at $330 million. Electric scooters produced there will use removable batteries and will be supported by a charging network of 100,000 charging points in 400 cities across India. Now, according to the company, the scooters can be charged to 75 kilometers of range in 18 minutes. Global exports are part of the plan, with a notable exception of North America. The starting price of the firm's S1 model is 100,000 rupees. That's just under $1,400. And perhaps the most interesting part of the project? The Futurefactory will feature an all-woman workforce, which at over 10,000 individuals makes it the largest women-only factory in the world and the only all-female automotive manufacturing plant as well. If you like this show, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for our next episode. There's major factory news in America as well this week. Chicago-based Boeing has announced a new plant near St. Louis in St. Clair County, Illinois, for design and production of the U.S. Navy's new MQ-25 Stingray carrier-based drone aircraft. The 300,000 square foot facility will be located at MidAmerica St. Louis Airport and will initially employ 150, rising to 300 with expected Navy orders. The plant location is logical, as MidAmerica St. Louis is the current flight test center for the MQ-25 program. The Stingray is designed and built using model-based systems engineering principles, and Boeing expects to use advanced automation in the assembly process. The current order book for the program stands at 70 airframes. The Navy intends to use MQ-25 aircraft as aerial refueling platforms for manned airplanes, with an autonomous mission profile and operating from existing aircraft carriers using conventional launch and recovery technology. In testing, the Stingray program has refueled standard Navy aircraft, including the FA-18 Super Hornet, E-2D Hawkeye, and the F-35C Lightning II. The new plant joins existing Boeing facilities that manufacture components for several programs, including the CH-47 Chinook, FA-18 Super Hornet, and F-15. Incentives from the state of Illinois were a factor in Boeing's announcement, with $57 million in state money already allocated for improvements to MidAmerica St. Louis. About half of that investment will support the Boeing project. In addition, Boeing will receive state income tax breaks in exchange for a minimum $200 million investment over 15 years and a floor employment level of 150 jobs in addition to the 70 already employed at Boeing's existing site at MidAmerica. Incentives are part of an economic development agreement with the Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity. The Stingray program could be pivotal to the future of naval aviation. If drones prove effective and reliable aerial refueling, it's inevitable that the technology will be tested for other missions as well. Is this the beginning of the end for piloted naval aircraft? Well, the aerospace industry and naval aviators everywhere will be watching with keen interest. Well, that's it for today's episode of This Week in Engineering, brought to you by Engineering.com. For our deeper engineering series, visit Engineering.com TV for exclusive shows like Manufacturing the Future and Designing the Future, not found on our YouTube channel. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.